Hey, Robert Kiefer here with Hydro Hero, and we are starting another crawl space project where the builder did a pretty lousy job of actually waterproofing this crawl space and encapsulating it. So we're going to kind of rip everything out. We're going to put in a real system. We're going to make sure this place stays dry for the life of the home. So why don't you guys check this out? Okay, so I'm gonna walk over here so you guys can kind of just see what's going on. So one of the very first things that we do when we start any type of crawl space is that we make sure that it's properly lit up so everybody can do their jobs efficiently. And so when we're finished, we make sure that we leave our lights in there so any HVAC, plumbing contractors, home inspectors, everybody can see what they're doing down there. Makes their jobs a lot easier as well. So I'm going to point out a couple things that we got going on here. This is Daquan and Nick. How you guys doing?
How you doing?
So one of the first things I want to point out is in this access well, you can see that this drain is not really located in a good spot. It really should be in the middle, and it should be recessed, and all the water should pour down into the drain. That can't really happen the way that this one was installed. So we're going to rip that out and fix that as well. How's it going, bud? You're on camera. All right, so you can see this is the crawl space encapsulation job that was done by the builder. We got lots of vapor barrier off of the wall. I mean, just a bad job. So we're gonna pull all this. There's no drain tile or anything installed here. So we're gonna pull all that out. We're gonna turn around and remove the sub pump. We're gonna put in a proper sub pump with sub pump basin. We're gonna get rid of that dehumidifier. This, I believe, is the fifth or sixth dehu that's been replaced here within the last 4 years. They always put in the same type. They just keep replacing it with the exact same model. Keeps failing. We're gonna rip that out and we're gonna put in an April Air 1850. So this is just the first shot of what's going on here. We'll film the rest and show you guys what the end product looks like as we're going through this. Stay tuned.